In this video, I'm going to show you how to add BambooHR to Authenticator app. Now to do this, first you want to go to the bottom left here and you want to click on your account icon, and then from here you want to click on two-step login. Now whenever you do this, you'll be directed to this page over here where you'll be able to see you can now set up your Authenticator app. So here it's going to say Authenticator app. You can simply click on setup over here, and as you can see, it's going to give you the QR code. So what you now have to do, open up your mobile device and you want to download an authenticator, which I assume you do have already. So for example, like Google Authenticator or something similar. And then here what you have to do is basically scan this QR code with the app. Usually that's very simple to do, just scan it. And whenever you do it, you basically will get like a code, and then you simply have to click on next over here, and you have to enter in the code from your Authenticator app over here. Click on continue, and that's really all you have to do to add BambooHR to your Authenticator app. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.